How to increase download speed on PC. You want to be using an Ethernet cable. This is the most important thing. Wi-Fi is prone to signal drops and interference. Switching to a hardwired Cat6 Ethernet cable instantly stabilizes and maxes out your speed. So go on Amazon or eBay and then type in Cat6 Ethernet cable, and then you want to buy one of these. Connect it from your router to your PC. This is the best way to improve your download speed. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to double click on your network adapter and then click on Properties. Now you want to click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have Obtain an IP address automatically selected. Now under it, you want to select Use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 1111 and you want to make the second line 1001 and then click on OK. For the next step, you can use an extension like Free Download Manager. If you go to the Microsoft Store and type in Free Download Manager, then you install this. And then if you go to your web browser, click on the three dots, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then click on Web Store. Search for Free Download Manager. Make sure you have both the extension on and that you have it downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Okay, now I've got Free Download Manager on my extension and I downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. So now once you have both of these running, you could just do your download, wherever you want to download. As soon as I clicked on download, this box came up. You want to choose where you want to save your download to. I'm saving it to my desktop. Now I'm going to click on download and it's going to download super fast.